Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about interaction. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about interaction bypass. So I will put about u equals to sinx. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have the u equals to cosine x dx dv. I will choose about sinx ds. The interaction of this one, we have v equals to cos x. So we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v next. We continue using about interaction bypass again. So this one we change by cosine x. First, the derivative of cosine x, we have negative sin x. This one we change by cos x. So this one there should be about sin x. So for this one, we have u multiplied by v minus we have the u multiplied by v, but we have the negative in here. Negative with negative, we have positive. And then we have the interaction sin x sin x dx. So this one, we have negative cosine x sin x minus the interaction in here. And we know that this one is equal to this one. So I will put this one go to the left, go to the right. Next, this one plus this one, we have number 2. Next, we divide both sides by number 2. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.